So I just want to show you that this has little knobs so you can adjust the height of it. So I'm going to adjust it right now so you can see on the camera me setting this up. And I'm going to just talk through this time what I'm doing. So I just adjusted the height. I'm probably only going to be using this height. I don't know. We'll see. I'll test it out later. But it was super easy to set up the Softbox lights. So this is the little cloth it comes in. So if you ever need to travel, you can put it back in. It comes like this. This is the little white part. So you just open it up like this. And this middle sensor part, you're going to have to push it into the middle and make it sure it's even. That's all. So just push it in there. Now it's stapled. Okay. I'm going to now take this part and put it on top of the stand. So, let me turn it sideways so you can see. Okay, once you have it balanced, you're just going to tighten it. Perfect. And then I'm going to also tighten this part because right now it's just going up and down. So I'm going to tighten that knob. Alright. Now I'm going to screw in the light bulb. So this is the light bulb. You should keep the boxes for these because if you're going to transport these, you want to make sure you don't break them. You do have to remove the little plastic cap. So I would also keep those. And I'm going to screw it in. Okay. This is the on and on switch. I'm going to plug it up right now. And we have light. So they do come with a remote control. Both lights. However, you do need 2 batteries. You need, it looks like AAA. You need 2 AAA batteries per remote. I don't have these batteries right now, so I'm just gonna have to wait until I go to the store. Okay, moving to the next step, I'm going to now put the light, I don't know what it's called, filter on, Velcro, I don't know if I said that right, on it. See? So you don't have to zip it or anything like that, and it's super easy. It's like putting on a bed sheet. So let me turn the light off and put this on. Alright, so I have both my soft boxes set up. It was super easy. It took me less than 5 minutes to set those up. Now the next thing that I'm going to do on the instructions is set up this soft umbrella. So it looks pretty easy and simple, so let's get started on that. So once again, you just adjust the pole to your desired height. I'm just putting it this short for right now. So here's the box that has your light holder. Okay, so this is the bottom. It's just like the soft box. So you're gonna have to loosen this screw to make room for the tripod to go into that hole. Once you have it balanced and on there firmly, you're gonna twist this until it's tight so it does not move around. All right, I would also tighten this knob as well so this doesn't move all around the place. So next, I took the light out the box. I would keep these once again if you're going to be traveling with your lights and stand, and just keep that. It's going to take this off. This is the light bulb, and you just screw it in. Okay. All right, this is the umbrella. Once again, you want to keep your stuff nice and clean. I will keep that plastic. You're going to have to open the umbrella before you put it onto the tripod. Okay. Once again, there's a knob. It's hard for you to see. There is this knob. You're going to have to loosen it so the umbrella can fit into the hole. Once it's loose enough, you're going to stick it into the hole. When you're putting the umbrella on, just make sure it does not touch the light bulb because it can cause a fire and it will ruin your material. So I'm just going to put it right here. And now I'm going to tighten it back up. And I'm going to plug this light in. This does not come with a remote control. It's because it's not LED. So I'm gonna plug this in real quick. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. Light switch is in the back, right here. There we go. So, that easy. That took me less than 5 minutes. My final thoughts about setting the lights up so far, it was super easy. The instructions were to the point. It told you exactly what to do. And the instructions also have pictures. So, this shows you what comes in your kit. These are the pictures and the instructions. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so the next thing is the backdrop. So this is the frame of the backdrop. It comes in this nice, neat travel bag. I really love these travel bags so far. So let's open it up. Alright, so first thing first, it has the same kind of adjustable on the tripod. I have to open this up. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to adjust the height now. So really quick, these two poles look like this, right? Okay, so when putting the poles together, these poles go on the ends, okay? The poles with the little dots and the silver ends go in the middle. That's just to help you out, okay? Now, we're going to connect these like this. You have to push back basically the dots down and slide it in there. Okay? And it clicks together. That's simple. I don't know if I need my backdrop this long, but I'm going to put the whole thing together so you guys can see what it looks like. So I just remember I should also put the backdrop on before I screw the pole on the stand. So it comes with a black backdrop and it's cloth, a green screen, which is also cloth, and a white backdrop, which is also cloth, okay? And then it comes with 6 clamps. So I thought that was pretty awesome. And it also comes with 2 sandbags, but I don't have any sand right now, so I'm not going to be using the sandbags. That's the only thing I'm not using so far in this setup. Try my best to show you everything, but this is the end. You're gonna have to unscrew this. It's gonna take a while. It just doesn't come off. You're gonna stick it into the hole. Okay. Once you stick it into the hole, you just screw it back on. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the full backdrop. It is huge. This is like a small little space that I have, like I mentioned before. So I'm not going to leave it this long. I had to adjust the height. Just a quick tip if you're doing this by yourself. Go slowly, just this size halfway, then go do this halfway, then come back and do this side. Like, do it alternate. Don't try to just put this all the way up and just have this short, because you can bend or mess up your equipment. I'm used to putting up equipment by myself, so that's just a pro tip. Yeah, it has wrinkles in the cloth, of course. Just get a steamer and steam this out. This is how far it's going right now. The height that I have it at. It's not like an extra long cloth or anything like that. It's just enough for you to point and shoot while standing up. I wouldn't get my feet or anything unless I put an extra cloth down here to get my feet. But I don't really need it for that. I'm going to take one of these poles out and show you what it looks like at my desired height and length. Okay, so I finally set up the length that I want, so it's not going out the door. It's just taking this small little corner now. And I didn't bother putting the cloth in the pole because there's going to be too much cloth left over and it's going to be bunched up. So I just draped it over and used the little clamps it came with and clamped it on the side and clamped it on the top. I used them. And like I said, I'm going to take a steamer and I'm going to steam this. But yeah, overall, I am in love with my new equipment. As far as setup is concerned, it was super easy. It only took me a long time because I'm trying to record this on my video for you all. But in reality, this should take you no more than 30 minutes, the latest, to set the backdrop, the 2 softbox lights, and the 2 umbrella softbox soft lights. Like, it should be super simple. As far as packaging, I love how it was packaged. I'm going to be keeping most of my packaging, like I said, if I want to travel with my equipment or when I move to another dorm next semester. I'm going to want to make sure all my equipment is safe when I'm traveling. I definitely love the bags that came with the equipment. I like the backdrops, everything. Now, as far as the space, I showed you, it's a small little room. It's not big, so I had to adjust the backdrop to the size I wanted, which was super easy. I'm probably only going to be using one of the softbox and one of the umbrella, or both of the softboxes, because they are using an LED light instead of a fluorescent light and they give off less heat. So I might just use 2 of the softboxes and just pack up my umbrella ones. I'll do an update video once I'm using the equipment after, you know, a couple of times and let you know if I honestly love the products. But so far, as far as setting it up, it was a breeze. I love all my new equipment and I can't wait to use it in my next videos. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Are you going to purchase this equipment? If so, make sure you click the link below and it'll take you straight to Amazon to where you can purchase this equipment. Until next time, kings and queens, peace, love, and happiness. Bye.